Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Welcome to data analytics demo using Power BI. So, anybody can learn this course. People will be asking, sir, my age is 40. Can I come into IT industry? Sir, I have done my graduation in BA, Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Mathematics, or I have done some I have some educational gaps. Can I come into IT industry? Sure, you can easily get into IT industry because IT industry is a private industry. Private industry never see your qualification, they don't see your age. Private industry always needs your skills. Okay, they need skilled people, not the certified people. So they don't need your certifications. I am BTech passed out, BA passed out, BCom passed out. So all the certifications are not very important. Recently one guy from Hyderabad got into IT company. He has done his be a Bachelor of Arts in the evening, college, not in the regular college. And after plus two, he has some, education gap. So 2010 has completed plus two. After that, he couldn't complete his graduation. In 2013, 14, 15, he joined B.R. Ambedkar Open University and completed Bachelor of Arts. This guy got three offer letters, currently working for a Ahmedabad company, and his name is Mr. Srinivas. Clear? So anybody can come into IT industry. Now, yesterday, one girl who's working for 14,000 rupees per month got a job offer. I'll show you the offer letter after this demo, and she is getting currently 12 lakhs salary package. Just few days back, she got the offer, right? 2015 BTech passed out. So the qualification is not so important. What is important? Proper mentoring is important. Proper gurus are important, and proper learning is important. Proper skills are important, right? So you can learn any course, but if you don't have the proper mentor, proper guru, it will be difficult for you to get into any way, right? So we have thousands of institutions, thousands of courses, but you have millions of people, intelligent people in this world. Why few people will get opportunities? Because they have a proper mentor and guru. So it is not the only the course, right? Do you think that only the story will give you hit? Not the story. Always you need to have proper directors like Rajamouli. You need to have those kind of a people behind your success. If that is not there, even though you're an intelligent guy, you have done your degrees from very good universities, then you will be getting only 20, 30,000 rupees per month. So not more than that. Clear? Your graduation, you would have spent 15, 20 years, but you will be able to earn only 20, 30,000 rupees. But when you learn these kind of a courses within 3 to 6 months of time, you will be able to complete this course. 3 months is the duration to complete the data analytics with Power BI. And when you do all the assignments and exercises and everything, whatever we are giving, project and everything, you will be able to easily crack the job with 3 to 4 years of experience. In India, 10 to 15 lakhs of salary package, you will be able to get it. Even though you're passed out of 2005, 2010, you're housewife or you're working for a company as a sales professor, or as a teacher, or as a banking professional, or as an insurance agent. You could be anything in this world. You can easily get into the IT industry. Only thing is that you need to have proper gurus and mentors. Without that, getting into any industry is difficult. It is not the course. Many people think that if I do .NET course, can I get a job? If I do Java course, can I get a job? Yes, maybe. But if you have a proper mentor, getting into anywhere is very, very easy, not the course. Clear? So I started my career in year 2000 in Bangalore. So I have almost 23 years of experience in the IT industry, almost 20 years of experience in the data analytics field. In my own family, we have some 50 to 60 people are working for the data analytics. And if I complete the graduation, I tell them that you learn this course, don't go into Java, .NET here and there. So learn this course and take your time, 1 year, 2 years, you take the time, learn the course completely and get into IT industry. So you can complete this course within 3 months of time. So daily 2 hours to 3 hours of practice, you need to have it. So anybody can get into IT industry. Anybody can learn this course. What is the prerequisite to learn Power BI? Nothing. So do I need to know something to learn Power BI? Nothing. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. But to get into IT industry, you have to know also some other courses. Only if you learn Power BI, that is not sufficient to get into IT industry. But to understand Power BI, do I need to know anything? The answer is no. To understand WhatsApp, do you need to know anything? Nothing, right? WhatsApp, anybody can learn on their own, right? So Instagram, how did you learn? So on your own, there is no prerequisite. Just like Instagram, just like a WhatsApp, just like a Facebook, however you're able to use it, the same way you should be able to also use your Power BI. To learn Power BI, nothing is needed. I'm repeating this. To learn Power BI, nothing is needed. But why we have to learn a lot of other courses like SQL and everything? That if you wanted to get a job into IT industry, okay? Learning Power BI, nothing is needed. Power BI just like one Instagram application, one WhatsApp application, one Excel application. Anybody can learn this without knowing anything. Clear, guys? So make sure that you have to learn this, not only Power BI, but also a lot of other courses, because getting the job is important. After that, you have to be there in the IT industry for at least 15, 20 years. So if you know simple courses or simple tricks or simple, this one, everybody can learn this course and go into IT industry, right? So that is not going to work. So along with the Power BI, you have to also know lot of other things. But in the YouTube, many people are misleading or misguiding the the entire crowd and youth. So many guys are able to crack the jobs, but after getting into the companies, they'll come to know that okay, I need to have this, I need to have this, I need to have this. Otherwise, it will be difficult for me to survive in the company. Clear? So what are the other technologies that you have to know to learn Power BI or MSB? That I will be able to tell you. Guys, any graduate, any year passed out, open university, anything is fine. We have educational gaps. That is also fine. No problem at all. We can get into IT industry. So I'm giving you this form. Fill the student details in the form. And this form already posted in the chat window. Your email address, full name with the surname. As per Aadhaar card, you have to mention your name. Course, you have to mention Power BI, location of the country, mobile number, click on subscribe. There are two advantages. One is the daily recorded videos are going to be given to you. So till the end, the validity for the videos are 6 months. The validity for the course is also 6 months. And after the 6 months, if you wanted to have the videos, means you can just talk to our team and pay some nominal amount. So we'll be extending the access for the videos. You can watch them. All these are available in a portal. The portal link, everything will be broadcasted once you make the payment after the demos. So today is the first demo. Tomorrow we don't have any demos, and Monday and Tuesday will complete second and third demo. And after that, we will start with the Power BI installation. And I will give you laptop details and everything configuration. You have to organize a laptop or the desktop. Without a laptop or the computer, you will not be able to practice Power BI course. And all the softwares I'm going to be giving it to you. The laptop configurations also I'll be, telling. So everybody has to, subscribe this form. One is that daily recorded videos, you will be able to get it. The second one is you will be able to get the discount price. So that is the advantage when you fill this form, guys. Okay. Now, so what are the other courses we're going to be offering in Go Online trainings? We have Power BI, Data Science, MSBA, AWS, DevOps, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Python, data warehousing, SQL Server, lot of other courses we have. We don't have a classroom classes. We have purely online classes. Okay. If you wanted to talk to me, you can give me your phone number in the email ID. So bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. You can just mail me your phone number so that I will be able to talk to you after this demo personally. If you want me to talk, please mention your phone number and write a mail to me. And these are my office phone numbers. You will be able to also talk to them if you have any concern, or if you want me to talk personally. So these are my mail IDs. You can give me your phone number so that after this demo, I will be able to make a call and talk to you personally. Okay, guys. Chalo. Now for course details, anyone can learn this course. Hot skill to get the job in the IT industry. High salaries are paid when you compare your normal jobs. No coding is required. 45 hours for this course to complete, daily 1 hour. Monday to Friday we'll have classes, but normally Saturday, Sunday I don't take any classes because it is demo I have conducted on Saturday. Otherwise, we will not be able to have any class on Saturday and Sunday. Daily recorded videos are going to be shared. 6 months is the validity. Real-time topics are going to be discussed, and sample CVs are provided after the class. CV preparation guidance is given. Online lab support will be there. Interview questions are going to be discussed and will be given. Placement assistance and support across India will be given. One project is included for free in this Power BI module. Clear? All these things will be included, so you need not worry about anything. So who can learn Power BI course? Any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed out, teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance professionals, BA, BSc, BCom, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, MBA, Diploma, BTech, all branches. And even though you failed some graduation, couldn't complete on time, all the people are eligible, can get into IT industry, guys. Okay, but only thing is that you have to have the proper mentor. It is not your intelligence alone it is going to work. Many people say, my son is very intelligent, my daughter is very intelligent, they have done their graduation from so and so college, but they are getting only 20,000 rupees past 5 years. So what is the problem with them? There is no problem with them. So only problem is that they don't have a proper mentor. That's it. Okay. If they have a proper mentor or the guru, definitely anybody can easily can crack the interview. And sometimes you choose the wrong guy or the wrong mentor and you pay huge amount to them. After that we'll come to know these people are completely cheaters or the brokers. So if you don't have the proper mentors, proper gurus, you will be in the hands of brokers or the cheaters. So make sure that you have proper gurus in your life. You can easily get into anywhere when you have a proper mentors. Clear? So we teach not only the course, we give you proper mentoring. Clear, guys, till you get the placement. So what is that you're going to be learning for next 3 months? So is it only Power BI, or is there anything else you have to learn? Because as I told you, learning Power BI is easy. Nothing you need to know to learn Power BI. So if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, we can get into Power BI. But only Power BI is not sufficient to get into the jobs, right? So what all you need to learn? So what courses you have to plan? Let me understand. So compulsorily you have to plan for SQL. Okay, so what is IT industry? IT industry means information technology. I means what? Information. The first question, what is the information? How do you get the information? Information can be derived from the data. Clear? So without data, information is not going to come. So what is data? Whatever you have, your name, your age, your income, your qualification. So you have some personal data, right? So like that, everybody will have a personal data. Social media will have some data. Amazon company will have some sales data. Apollo Hospital will have healthcare data. Insurance company will have insurance data. Oil industry will have some oil data. So everybody will have a lot of data. So IT industry is going to be taking the data, converting into information. Clear? So data you have to store first. So for the storing purpose, you have to use a technology. The technology is called as a SQL technology. Clear? It is also called as a database management system. It is also called as a relational database management system. So remember, if you wanted to work with the IT industry is going to be taking something as an input, right? So if you wanted to maintain a factory, you have to give something as an input, right? Then only you will get. Steel industry needs some steel as an input, right? Then only you will get output, or some, mud or the material has to be given as an input. So IT industry is going to be taking data as an input. It is going to be storing the data, processing the data. For the storing, you have to know a technology called SQL, structured query language, or it is also called as a database management system. It is also called as a relational database management technology or system. So this will take your data, store the data and later convert into information. So anybody who wanted to come into IT industry, so you ask, sir, I wanted to learn SAP course, Java course, Android course, this course, this course, any course you learn in IT industry. But the faculty will tell you at the end, so once the course is finished, when so on Android course you finish, the faculty will tell you, you should also learn SQL. When you finish your Java course, the faculty will tell you, you have to learn SQL. When you learn any course in the IT industry, SAP, Java, .NET, X course, Y course, Z course, any course, Python course you learn, any course you learn, the faculty will tell you, you have to learn SQL, because without SQL, without RDBMS, without database management system, IT industry is not going to work. So what is the purpose of SQL or RDBMS? Means to store the data and to retrieve the data. Remember, to store and retrieve the data. So RDBMS is nothing but your bank or the tank. I have a lot of blood. So how do you store your blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of gold. How do you store your gold? Gold bank. I have a lot of data. How do you store the data? Data bank. Data bank are called database. Data bank is called as a database management system. So data you have to manage. So SQL or database or RDBMS means simply these are data banks, or you can say data bank, or you can say a godown or the storeroom. You can understand like that. In the storeroom, normally what you do? You put the items, you get the items. In the godown, what you do? You put the items. I wanted to have a cement go down or gold go down, or I wanted to have a rice go down. So whatever you wanted to store, you just store it, you can get it back. So store the data, get the data. So IT industry is going to be using SQL, or called as a database management system, to store the data. So if you wanted to process the data, okay, if you wanted to process the data, IT industry is going to be using a language. Okay, language means you can have C++, Java, or you can go in for Python. So what is that IT industry is going to be doing? IT industry is doing only two things: storing data and processing data. Nothing IT industry is going to be doing. You work for Microsoft, Google, or you work for Amazon, you work for X, Infosys, any company you join tomorrow, you will be either working with the data storing or the data processing. Clear? Because IT industry core functionality is storing the data, processing the data. You may learn a language, or you may learn any application. That could be, you learn tomorrow BI, or you learn some XYZ tomorrow. Either it is going to be processing your data or storing your data. IT industry core functionality is to store the data and process the data. To do that, we have various languages, various things are available. You will be able to learn one of them compulsorily. Without SQL, without database management system or relational database management system, you will not be able to sustain in the IT industry for longer period. Clear? So if you wanted to get into IT industry, so if you wanted to learn Power BI, I'm strongly recommending you have to learn SQL, structured query language. It is also called as a database management system. It is also called as a RDBMS. technology or the tools you have to learn. So what is the purpose of RDBMS? As I told you, it is going to be storing the data. It is going to be processing the data. What are the RDBMS tools are available? The popular tool is called Oracle. The popular tool is called Oracle. Oracle is a SQL tool or database management tool or Microsoft SQL Server. It is from the Microsoft company and IBM DB2. DB2 is one more, RDBMS technology. It is going to be storing the data. It is going to be retrieving the data. You can understand this is one more company's go down. This is one more company's go down. This is one more companies go down. You can buy any tank or the go down. What you do? You put the items, you get the items, the goods or the stationery or oil tins or the rice bags, whatever you want to store. So Oracle is a go down. SQL Server is a go down. DB2 is one more go down. One more companies go down. Like that, you can understand. You have Netiza. It is also from IBM software to store the data. And we have Teradata and we have a PostgreSQL, right? We have Sybase. So like that, we have MySQL. So lot of RDBMS or SQL tools are available. So all the tools, what is the purpose? All the tools are used to store the data, to retrieve the data. You can use one of the tool to store your data. For example, you go to Amazon.com. Let me go to Amazon.com now. Okay. So somebody is asking about certifications. I will give you course completion certification. No worries. I go to Amazon.com. I wanted to buy some Lenovo laptops here. I want to buy this Lenovo laptop. I make a payment. Okay. So this kind of a configuration is sufficient for you to install Power BI. Okay. Let me show you one laptop here. So Lenovo I'm using, you can also buy Lenovo, HP, anything, but I'm using. So the minimum configuration I'm giving you, 4 GB is enough. 4 GB RAM is enough. 256 GB SSD, that is hard disk, that is enough. And Windows 11 is needed or 10 is also fine. And you can get this laptop if you wanted to buy some laptop. The cost is 34,000. Clear? So Windows 10 or Windows 11, Windows 7 is not going to work. So you need to upgrade your software. So this is the configuration I have given in the chart window. If you wanted to buy this laptop, you can buy it. So this is the laptop configurations that you need to have to install your Power BI tomorrow. What is the laptop? You have to buy it. Minimum, any processor is fine. But remember, no Celeron processor. So this is not going to work properly. So don't buy this. So any processor, minimum 4 GB and 256 GB of hard disk. Okay. So, Windows 10 or later 11 is not going to work. You have to go to your nearest hardware shop, upgrade your machine to 10 or later. If they're not able to upgrade, then we will not be able to use this. Then compulsory you need to have MS Office to be installed. Any version is fine. 2007 or later version is also fine. Okay. So we are going to be installing Power BI latest version, the Power BI, and compulsorily you have to learn one SQL Server, right? One tool you need to know. So we are going to be learning SQL Server as part of SQL or SQL tool, right? So what is the thing you're going to be installing? So this is the one we are going to be compulsorily installing. So this software I will give you. Okay, I will give you after the demos. I will give you this software. Remaining things you need to organize on your own. You need to install PDF and the zipping software. You need to have it to install, unzip. Uh, you know, zipping will be used to compress the files and everything. So how to install all these things I will be teaching you after the demo. Today is the first demo. Tomorrow we don't have any demo. Monday, Tuesday we will have second and third demos. Same time, same meeting ID. You can use it and you can complete. After that, I will show you how to install Power BI and SQL Server. So if you wanted to learn Power BI, compulsorily you should also know SQL. Without that, cracking the interview is difficult. So what is that you're going to be learning? So SQL Server you're going to be learning. So it is a Microsoft database management software system or Microsoft relational database management system. You can think as a bank. So in this, you're going to be putting the data, getting the data. So you can think Oracle as a storeroom or SQL Server as a storeroom. DB2 database 2000. This is also one more company storeroom. You can put the data, get the data. So without SQL knowledge, IT industry is not going to work. Clear? If you wanted to learn Power BI, so compulsorily you have to learn one course. So which course you're going to be learning? This one. So unfortunately, we don't have live classes for this course. So what is that you need to do? You have to buy videos from us and you have to learn all the videos. There are some 45 plus hours videos are available, right? So you have to buy the videos and daily you need to watch these videos, and these are pretty much easy. Anybody can learn BCom, BA, botany, zoology, BTech mechanical, anybody can learn this syllabus. So these videos are available with us in Telugu and English version. So whatever be the version that you wanted to have it, you can buy this version or Telugu version videos also you can buy. Even the explanation is going to be in Telugu, but all the notes is there in English. Clear? You can buy and daily you have to watch one video without fail. So each video will be of 1 hour, will be of 1 hour. If you don't have a time to watch the video for 1 hour, so watch only 15 minutes, give the break. So you don't have a time or the mood, get up in the evening, again watch 15 minutes. You have completed at least 30 minutes of video, and the 9 o'clock after supper or before the dinner, you watch 15 minutes video. You don't have any time. Next day morning, you can watch 15 minutes. Like that, you will be able to complete this and 15 minutes, and it is important that you have to write the notes on your own. Clear? So this will be from very very basic level to advanced level, and anybody can understand. BA people are also able to crack the interviews. So not regular BA, open university degrees guys. So one guy got three offer letters even the recession is going on. So recession is only temporary. Skills are mandatory. If you don't have a skill, nobody can help you. Before the recession, why is that you are not able to get into IT industry? Recession is there last 1 or 2 years only, but before that, so why you couldn't go into IT industry? Right? So the decision also slowly it'll disappears after 6 months or after 1 year, it will not be there afterwards. So only if you have the skills, you will be able to get into IT industry, because the recession not only first time, many times it came in my life. I had seen very, very big recessions, 3 years, 4 years. In the previous recession, I lost my job in 2009. So end of the day, it is not the recession, who's stopping everybody. It is the skills you don't have it. Only graduation, only with your graduation, you can earn a 20, 30,000 rupees per month. But with kind of this proper mentoring, proper skills, you will be able to get into very good technologies, right? I had seen one guy become passed out who got the job in 3.5 lakhs of salary in Siemens company. Now that guy is earning more than 1.5 crore in US. Is still working for the Siemens company. Become Telugu medium graduate. Now tell me, BTech guys are working for 10, 20,000 rupees. BCom guys are believing in this and doing this kind of a courses. And that guy came to me in recession time 2009. I told not to learn this kind of a courses. That guy said, no problem, sir, I will join. You leave it to me after the recession, I will try, sir, no problem. So that guy, after 2009 recession, he got a job in Siemens, in Siemens company. 2010 he joined. Almost 13 years is completely settled. So it is not the recession who's stopping. It is your own thinking, your own intelligence is working against you, right? So you have intelligence, but that is not working properly. That is working against, because of that only you're earning 20,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees. You're blaming all the world saying that I'm not able to get the job. I have age problem. I have education problem. I have communication problem. I have a time problem. I have a money problem. All these things are useless kahanis, useless stories, right? So now everything is online. You need not go anywhere. So you have proper mentors are available. Only thing is that you need to properly Google it and see the demo classes, attend, and you will be able to get the proper success. Only intelligence is not going to work. Your degrees are not going to work. You need to have the proper mentors. Clear? I got the proper mentor, Mr. Srinivasan Ranganathan. So when I joined a small company in Bangalore in year 2000, so he's a professor from IIT Chennai, and I am Bangalore. Currently, he's working for ISB Hyderabad, Indian School of Business. So he's going to be conducting leadership qualities. Before that, he was working as a president in Citibank, Mumbai, then vice president in Wipro, and he came out and started his own company, small startup in year 2000. Luckily, I was there in his company. So because of that, I got an opportunity to work with this kind of a mentors. Because of that only, I'm able to shape up my career. Otherwise, it will be difficult for anybody coming from very, very small college, small village, and getting good opportunities and good growth. So I couldn't speak not even good English when I started my career in year 2000. So it is not the English communication or it is not the qualification. Nothing is mandatory, only the will, right? You have the will to join something? Do you have the goal? If you have a goal, if not today, so tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will be able to get into the goal. Otherwise, you will be able to earn some 20, 30,000 rupees for entire your life. And everywhere you will say that I got 90% of marks. I am 92, percent, and I got essay rating, good marks. I am the intelligent guy. All these things will be useless, right? So remember, so you have to learn compulsorily this. So the videos are going to be given. You need to purchase the videos, and don't tell me that I have learned this in my college days. I know SQL basic. My friend told me that he will teach me. I have Udemy videos. I have YouTube videos. All the videos means you need not go into IT industry because the basic stuff is not going to work. So we have completely dedicatedly planned these classes. So you have to watch one by one. So 20% of the coding is going to be there in the SQL, but you should not be worried about it. So daily one video, so 45 videos you can complete in 2 months time. Clear? So compulsorily you have to know this course. The next course you have to plan, that is Power BI. Okay, so Power BI, it is going to be again 45 hours syllabus. Daily live classes will be there. So 3 days demo classes. Next, the live classes are going to be starting. So this you have to attend regularly, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So daily the recorded videos are also going to be posted for this. And all these videos at a shot, you will be able to get them once you make the payment. You can watch them. Okay, so this is also you have to attend Monday to Friday. We will have daily 1 hour of class, whatever be the reason. If you're busy and if you're not able to make the live class, then the same recorded video will be posted by afternoon in the portal. You can watch this video in the evening or the next day morning. So daily you have to plan for watch one video offline. You have to attend one live class of Power BI. If you have any questions in the SQL server, you can ask me in the Power BI class. Before the class, after the class, I'll give you time. You can ask me your questions. You can show me your lab issues. You are doing the lab, right? So if you're having any issue, you can wait till next day, or you will be able to write me a mail, sir. This is the issue. I got it. This is my phone number. I wanted to connect with you one to one. So based on your free time, my free time, I'll be able to connect after 11 o'clock in the morning or in the evening. For the other country people, probably 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, evening time India, we will be able to connect and troubleshoot the issues. Clear? So you will be able to learn anything from anywhere. So online, mode. So you should not be worried about at all. Clear? So Sai Kumar is asking, will you explain any real-time project? Not explain. We are going to be doing a project. Clear? Not explanation. Project after the completion of the course. Yes, we are doing, not the explanation, right? We are going to be doing a project, and anyhow, explanation is going to be there for the project, right? So all the assignments and everything you will be able to get it for free, and one project is included for free that you have to do it at the end of the course. Clear? So if you wanted to learn Power BI, what is that you have to know? You have to know SQL. So SQL Server you're going to be learning while watching videos. It will be 2 months, right? So what you have to do? So in the month of July and August 2023, you have to learn these two courses. One is called SQL Server or SQL. So this will be for 45 hours. Okay. I'll be late in. So 45 hours you will be able to learn. So this is one. The second one, you are going to be learning Power BI. So this is also for 45 hours. This will be the live class. So these 2 months, and this will be recorded videos. Okay. So these are, so no live, these are recorded videos. You can easily understand this. So this is what for the July and August. So after that, will it be sufficient? No, 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 no. In the month of September, you have to learn one more course. That is what is called SSIS. So what is SSIS and what is ETL? This will be for 25 hours. So 1 month course it is. Okay. 1 month course. Again, we have live classes. If you don't want to attend the live, you can get the recorded videos also. Okay. So recorded videos, these are mandatory. See, to get a job, you can learn any one course, but you wanted to be there in the IT industry for longer period. Only one course, half course, 20 days course, 5 days course is not sufficient. Can you learn English in 5 days, 21 days? You will see a lot of books in the market. Learn English in 20 days. Learn Kannada in 2 days. So it is not going to work at all. Clear? So you will be able to get, so in September month, you need to join this course. This will be the paid course. So that you need to make the payment in the month of this, and you need to join. So these are the courses that you have to complete it. Clear? So why we need to complete all of them? So along with that, you will get some free courses also. One is called data warehouse also. You will be able to get it. So this will be free for you. 7 hours course it is. It is compulsorily you have to know that I'm going to be giving. And one more course, SSAS course. It is also given for free. This will be 5 hours course. One project will be included for free. Okay, so all these things are, and CV preparation is going to be there, and the CV review will be there. All the interview questions are going to be discussed, and all the interviews questions are shared with you. All the project explanation videos are going to be shared. Project explanation, project challenges videos are going to be given. So everything we are going to be giving a free. So no other extra charge. All these things we are going to be learning. So July, August, and September, you are going to be with me and you're going to be completing. So after this, in the September month, we are going to be creating a CV with a minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience, and you will be able to upload the CV into Naukri portal. So you may ask me, sir, why are we learning all these things? If I learn only Power BI, is it enough? Only Power BI is not enough. Let me show you Naukri.com. I'll go to Naukri.com. And I wanted to show you what are the things the companies are asking. Anita is asking me, sir, I have 9 years ago, you upload SQL Server videos. Is it enough for preparing? No, SQL Server is very long videos. It got changed a lot of things. Clear? So those videos may not be having the latest concepts and everything. Okay. So I wanted to show you uh, people who came late have to fill the form, guys. Okay. Na? So I wanted to show you Naukri.com. So I go and I look for Power BI jobs, Power BI developer or Power BI, and simply search. Now, how many jobs we have, I will tell you today. So today, How many jobs we have? 21,000 jobs are available in India. 21,410 jobs are available. So now you see, what are they asking for the Power BI? What are they asking? They're asking SSIS. They're asking SQL. Have you seen this? If you learn only Power BI and if you don't learn SSIS and if you don't learn SQL, then tomorrow you say that, sir, I wanted to join your company. I know Power BI means, they'll say get lost. See, they're asking again one more company. SSIS they're asking, SQL they're asking, database management they're asking. So you have to know at least a few technologies, not everything. See, SSAS they're asking, SQL Server they're asking, SQL they're asking, Power BI. So SSAS. So that is what I told you, right? So this is what. So even though you're learning Power BI, so only Power BI if you learn, that is not enough. You have to know SQL and SSIS and SSAS and data warehousing. All these things are important. Data warehouse and SSAS, all these things are important. So this is not my say, recommendation. You go to naukri.com and apply for a job. They'll ask you in the day one interview, do you know all these things? Power BI, so data modeling, SAP, right? See, lot of other things, SSAS, SSIS, SQL Server development, Power BI. Have you seen this? So compulsorily you have to know not only Power BI, but also a lot of other technologies. Have you seen that? SSIS is there, ETL, and all these things are important. Clear? So only Power BI if you learn, you will not be able to get into IT industry. It is, I am not saying that Naukri.com is saying you have to learn all these things. Clear? So work from office, these many jobs are available, right? Remote, these many jobs are available. Hybrid mode, these many jobs are available. You can see whatever be the mode that you have. Engineering, software, guys. Bangalore, these many jobs. Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, these many jobs are available. Clear? So you will be able to see all the qualifications and everything clearly mentioned. Power BI currently 21 jobs are available in the market. How many jobs you need? You need only one job, right? So one girl got a job offer today. She is March 2023 student of mine. She's able to crack 12 lakhs of salary package and she joined already in one of the reputed company. 2015 BTech passed out and working for the appearing for the government jobs. She couldn't get not even single job there and she cracked the interview March 2020. Today we are in the June or July. So within 3 months time, she's able to crack the interview, right? So she was getting only 14,000 rupees per month and working for a small company and earning 14,000 rupees per month. Now she's getting almost 1 lakh per month. So do you think that only with the graduation degree she's able to crack the interview? No, 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 no. She has to have the complete understanding of the proper course and proper mentor, and one of her friend recommended, she also got. So after she getting the job, she recommended to this institution. Now she's able to also get the job. Clear? So I will show this offer letter after the demo. And clear? So that is what is important, guys. It is not that only your degree or your intelligence or you have a lot of age problem. Nothing is important. Only important thing is that do you have the proper learning or not? Okay, guys. So today I did not tell you anything about Power BI in depth. So tomorrow is holiday. Monday I'll be talking about each and everything. What is SSIS? What is SQL Server? What is Power BI? What is ETL, extracting the data, transforming the data, loading the data, what is a data warehouse, what is everything. So technical things I'm going to be discussing in the Monday's class. I will also talk about what is data analytics means. Okay, it is also called as a business intelligence. All these things I will be talking about in the Monday's class. Same meeting ID you can join. So data analytics and the difference between data science. Okay, so all these things we'll be talking about in the Monday's class. Technical things I'm going to be having on the Monday. So as you know, You have to learn all of them. So July, August, September, you need to plan. So currently you need to pay only for this. The payment details and everything will be shown, will be given after the demos. Today, first demo, Monday, Tuesday, second and third demo. After the third demo, you will be able to get the payment details and the people who are filling the form. This form I have given. If you fill the form, you will be able to get the discounts and daily recorded videos. The videos validity will be 6 months. The course validity also 6 months. Once you make the payment from there, it will be 6 months validity. It will be there. If you need after that validity period, if you need the videos to be extended for some time, means nominal fee will be there that you can make it and you will be able to continue further. But slow and steady wins the race. So it may take 3 months to complete the syllabus, guys. And after that, you need to keep 1 or 2 months extra to prepare the CV, to do some more projects and upload the CV and everything. So, and you will be able to easily crack the interview, guys. If you have any questions, I will be able to answer them. And if you want me to talk personally, you can then send me your phone number to bhaskarjogi@gmail.com or goonline.bhaskar@gmail.com. I will call you after 1 hour. I'll talk to you personally so that you can talk to me personally, right? Nobody can stop you guys. Only your intelligence, your emotions are going to stop you. Clear? So everybody is there ready. Everybody can give you lot of mentoring. Everybody can guide you. Only thing is that you should be ready, right? So you should not think that, I'm wasting my money. Nobody is helping me. All these things are useless, guys. So the form link I have given. So proper mentoring has to be there. Without mentor's help, you will not be able to go anywhere, right? So Gandhi is having lot of leadership qualities, but when he started his career here in India, he couldn't won not even single case against British government. Then he went to South Africa. He was fighting with the same British there. After 25 years, you know, years of time spending in South Africa, there is a guy in from India. So Dada Bhai Nauraji and lot of other people invited him, and they have properly guided, Mr. Gandhiji because of their mentoring. Clear? So he's able to got lot of what? He's able to fight with the British government and he got the independence, right? So today you may have a lot of skills, but if you don't have a proper mentor, then it will be difficult. So one guy in the Rajkot, he was not able to get not even single case from the British government. He couldn't win, but that guy, is able to fight with the government proper with the proper mentors. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is the mentor of Gandhi. Clear? Because of Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Dada Bhai Nauraji was mentoring. Even though you have a lot of skills, if the mentorship is not there, you will be having nothing. Remember, whether it is a Gandhiji, whether it is a Bill Gates, whether it is a you or me, only the intelligence is not going to work. So Rajinikanth will have a lot of Rajnikants in our in our industry, but why only one by this guy? This guy has become a superstar because they have proper mentors behind the scenes. If you have a proper mentor, you can also become a superstar tomorrow. So that is you have to capture always. Clear? If you have the Rajamouli in your story, then you need not worry about anything. So get the Rajamouli, then the story and remaining things he will take care. Why is that you have to be worried? But if you don't have that guy in your hand, then you need to worried about many other things. Clear? So if you're not able to attend live classes, these videos will be posted. So you can just talk to the team and a daily recorded videos will be there. You can just watch one by one, one by one. Okay. Or you can also get the previous batch recorded videos. You can watch one by one. So if you have any questions, you can connect me with this email ID. You have to mention your phone number so that I can call you. I can talk to you over phone. I can resolve all your issues. Clear, guys? Chalo. Any questions? So Monday we'll have the second demo, same time, same meeting ID, and Tuesday we'll have the final demo. So after that, it will be payment details and everything will be given. So don't ask me the payment details and everything. These numbers you need to call if you wanted to know details of the payment and everything. And the faculty for this course, you can ask me any other questions. Okay, apart from the payment questions. Chalo guys. So thank you so much. We'll continue on Monday. I will give you time to speak. So you can unmute your mics and you can speak now. Thank you guys.